بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الدرس السادس, the sixth lesson. هذه. هذا ابن حامد وهذه بنت ياسر. This is Hamid's son and this is Yasir's daughter. So few points of note here. هذا was the masculine, هذه feminine. Both here are مضاف and مضاف إليه. ابن حامد, son of Hamid, daughter of Yasir. So therefore, Hamid has a kasra, Yasir has a kasra. ابن حامد جالس وبنت ياسر واقفة. Hamid's son is standing and Yasir's daughter is, Hamid's son is sitting and Yasir's daughter is standing. من هذه? Who is this? هذه أخت المهندس. This is the engineer's sister. أهي أيضا مهندسة? Is she also an engineer? So you saw that muhandis, muhandisatun became feminine by just adding a ta at the end and putting a fatha on the scene. لا هي طبيبة. No, she is a tabiba. She is a doctor. سيارة من هذه? Whose car is this? هذه سيارة المدير. This is the principal's car. ما هذه? What is this? هذه مكواة. So you saw that it has a ta marbud at the end, so it indicates that it is a feminine. لمن هذه? Who does it belong to? هذه لخالد. It belongs to Khalid. الدراجة أنس هذا? Is this Anas's bike? لا, هذه دراجة عمار. No, it is Ammar's bike. هذه جديدة. It is new. والدراجة أنس قديمة. And Anas's bike is old. Now you're noticing that in some cases they're not putting down the harakat because you're supposed to work out what harakah is supposed to go there. And we've learned that mudaf and mudaf ilayh, it gives the mudaf ilayh kasra. So in this case, the rajatu Anasin, Anas's bike, qadimatun is old. هذه ساعة علي هي جميلة جدا. This is Ali's watch. It is very beautiful. هذه ملعقة وهذه قدر. الملعقة في القدر. This is a spoon and this is a pot. The spoon is in the pot. هذه بقرة الفلاح. This is the farmer's cow. هذا أنف وهذا فم. This is a nose and this is a mouth. You notice here that they're singular, so therefore they're going to be masculine. هذه أذن وهذه عين. This is an ear and this is an eye. Now these things are dual, 2 ears, 2 eyes, so therefore they are regarded as feminine. وهذه يد وهذه رجل. This is a hand and this is a foot. Again, because they are dual, it's going to be feminine.